You know you're in a good area when there's just calcite everywhere. Old, big chunks, just everywhere. All the chunks you're seeing, all this is calcite.
And bam, here is the deposit. All you have to do is just follow all the pieces up the hill or to the left or to the right until you figure it out. Wow, look at these clusters. They're just all over. It's kind of like one giant one, but they're eroded out in between.
This whole thing is cluster. This is a cluster. That's a humongous cluster. You can see all the broken off, decomposed old calcites. Dang, there's one. Broken. There's another one. Oh, big handed. Oh, that's definitely one. There's another one. And another one. I'm on them right here. Probably connect like right there. Look at this one that just came out. Same area though from like right there, so that's how it typically works. Ooh, here's a cluster. But yeah, one just came flying off. Oh, it was already broken for sure. That's definitely a little cluster. Cool. That's where they're coming from. Wow, look at all those calcites. Whoa, bam, there's one. And then another one. Look at them. That's awesome. Hand me those ones too. Just all of them, yeah. Awesome. Nice one. Yep, they're gonna clean up great. Cannot wait. And they're actually phosphorescent too. Look at them all just pouring out. It's like a faucet. Whoa, that huge one just rolled out. Oh, two huge ones.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at those. Whoa, I'm glad I was still filming. What did you do there? That was awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, is that another big one? It looks like it is. Oh, so fun. Yay, so grateful. Ooh, it's okay. They're just flying out, and that was a big one. We'll pick up all the little ones later. Cool, let's get a time lapse or something. There's a nice one. And they're just rolling out little ones. Look at that cluster right back here. Oh, you can't see it. But I'm gonna get that out next. Oh, there's a couple. Nice. That one's really big. That's cool. So get under these ones. Boom. Nice cluster. Yay. Oh, this is something big too. Something big here moving. All one piece. Oh, maybe not. Here's a big one though. Oh, another one. Another one. Yeah. Bang. Right on. Let's see. That's a nice one too. Oh. That's really nice. Oh, here's another one. Ready? Boom. Wow. That is awesome. I wonder if it's double terminated. We'll have to see it cleaned up. They're just pouring out now. Oh, that might not be one of it. Oh yeah, a bunch of smaller ones. Cool. I can't even believe this one. I'll show you that one cleaned up too. That was a huge crystal. I'm shaking. That's crazy awesome. Check that out. Oh, cluster. That'll be sweet. I blew out my finger. Oh, there's a crystal and a cluster. Ooh. Let's get that cleaned up. Oh, there's a little cluster. There's a crystal. Let's put more on top of here. Yep. Ready for this? Boom, look at them all. That's cool. All these terminated calcite crystals. Ooh. It's piling up. Oh. I had to show you guys how awesome this place is. Actually, there's gotta be more. Oh. 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 That is awesome. Wow. Ooh. Bang. Can I get in here, honey? I want to see you pull out some. Yeah. Oh, there's one. Nice.
Sweet.
Oh. Oh, broken one. Okay, there's gonna be more.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh. There's one.
Whoa.
Oh, that one rolled out. Ding. It's probably more like right up in there. Here's a little one. It's okay. Oh, you rolled that one out. It's a nice one. It's like a dinosaur tooth, really. Dragon teeth. Oh. Big chunkers. Up top right here. Oh, oh, that one. Oh. Ching. It's all calcite. Go ahead, keep digging. Is that one? Oh, it's broken. That's cool though. Oh, nice cluster. Whoa, look at that. Oh, that's a good one, honey.
Yay.
Smile. Yay. This one won't be cleaned up for the video in time. Oh, there's another one. That one goes right next to it. I'm sure they even almost click together. There's gonna be another one too. Watch here. Oh. It's a big one.
Nice. Awesome.
Oh, heck yeah.
Ooh.
Ah. There's one, I bet. Oh, might be a cluster again. Alright. Oh. Nice. I'm gonna see if I can get all this out with one. They're already broken in here. Another chunk of that cluster. Nice, there's a nice big single. Cool. Let's get more. Nice. Awesome. Bet you there's a bunch more. Oh. Yeah, there's a big one. Oh. But this is a whole humongous cluster, actually. Huge. This whole area. Oh, has to be zoomed out. It's just amazing. It's in there. That's crazy. Woo! Honey, look.